what we've seen the last number of years actually is an increase use of Medicare Advantage plans specifically, uh, but Medicare in general. A lot of people put off elective surgeries during COVID and even for the few years after the pandemic kind of ended there. People just put off having elective surgeries done. Now, in the last 2 years or so, 2 or 3 years, we've seen a lot of people go in to get those elective surgeries done. So it's increased the amount of claims coming into the insurance companies throughout the country, but Minnesota in general also did not really adjust the plans for the fact of the changes that are happening in Medicare. Not just the fact that you're having more people use the plans, but on the prescription drug side, as we had mentioned, it went from an $8,000 max out of pocket for members down to 2,000, and then the insurance companies had to really account for that extra amount between the 8,000 and the 2,000 worst case scenario. So essentially, that because they did not adjust for that in terms of premiums or benefits last year or the year before, and they put it off as long as they can. And we had some of the strongest plans in the country here in Minnesota, especially on the Medicare Advantage side, for the last year or two. Whereas other states were adjusting for it, we did not. Now, this year, we are adjusting for it, and we're behind the curve compared to where most of the different states are in terms of adjustment to the new reality of the increased cost on these plans. There's also been a reduction the last couple of years and how much money Medicare was giving to these plans to stabilize them, to give basically an amount per member for the plans to help them pay out all the different claims during a given year. So behind the scenes kind of work, I guess, look at how it all works. Is Medicare may give, say, $1,000 per person to be in these plans, and then anything above $1,000 in a person's expense, the insurance company is covering that essentially. So they're unfortunately experiencing cost per member well above what Medicare is providing there and the premium that our people are paying. So that's why we're seeing this large adjustment this year, this annual enrollment heading into October 15th for the 2026 plans. Because we're behind the curve, it's going to be a major adjustment this year for the plans.